Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on the internet. Yesterday was my last day of school, so I'm officially out. It's summer for me. Sucks for all you people who are still in school and have finals. Oh, rip. But yeah, since it's summer, that gives me an opportunity to upload a lot more frequently. So yeah, I will be doing that. But before I can actually start uploading frequently, I need to get a good PC. Because right now it's just like a work PC, like for typing and stuff. So it's not really all that powerful and good. So I need something for gaming and making YouTube videos, because well, you all have seen my gaming videos and stuff. So I'm gonna do a couple of those. Or not a couple, but I'm going to do those a lot because they're really fun to make, and I like to mix it up a little bit. So, I know they don't get that much views as much as my regular videos, but they're still really fun to make. So, also, oh yeah, I will be streaming a lot with the gaming PC. So, yes. Oh, I forgot to address that me and my friends have created a channel called Brad Avlocon. I will put the channel link in the description so you all can go check that out. Please go subscribe to it and stuff. So it's a shitpost channel, alright? It's just a shitpost channel. I will also try to cut down on the shitpost channels. Or, not channels, what the frick am I saying? Videos on my channel, because I will upload them to Brad Avlocon. So the videos really aren't that good, you know, because it's shitpost. Oh, frick. Also, I am going to be a lot more family friendly, or at least I'll try to be, because my parents kind of found out about my channel, so I'm not very happy about that. And because YouTube doesn't really like cussing, they like family-friendly stuff. I know, it's really retarded. The adpocalypse is stupid. YouTube just needs to get a lot better, alright? Just needs to fix YouTube. People need to make their own content and just do what they want, alright? Who cares if you cuss? It's stupid. It's not like kids are gonna watch. Well, they probably are. Never mind. But still, they should allow you to do whatever you want, really. Not anything you want, but just cuss at least. Well, I don't know if this was an announcement video or not. I mean, it kind of was. It was just me speaking about. I guess it was an announcement, actually, so never mind. But yeah, that's really it for today. I will post soon, so stay tuned for it. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video, so